Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the fast-paced world of gaming monitors with the Asus ROG Swift PG248QP. Now, if you're serious about gaming, you know that having the right monitor can make all the difference. And Asus is no stranger to pushing boundaries, as they've proven once again with this beast of a monitor. First off, let's talk about speed. This monitor boasts an incredible 540Hz refresh rate, making it one of the fastest on the market. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or competitive esports, this monitor delivers the smoothest gameplay you've ever experienced. And thanks to NVIDIA's G-Sync processor with latency analyzer, you can say goodbye to input lag. This monitor ensures that every button press and mouse movement is translated to the screen with lightning-fast precision. But it's not just about speed. The PG248QP also delivers stunning visuals. With HDR support and wide gamut color, your games will come to life with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. And let's not forget about the build quality. Asus has spared no expense in crafting a monitor that not only performs like a champ but looks the part too. From the premium materials to the sleek design, this monitor screams high-end. So, is the Asus ROG Swift PG248QP worth a hefty price tag? Absolutely. If you're a serious gamer looking for the ultimate gaming experience, this monitor is worth every penny. With its unparalleled speed, stunning visuals, and premium build quality, it's a game-changer in every sense of the word. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, happy gaming!